Red arrives at the Taj Mahal, captivated by its grandeur. Endless white marble and beautiful gardens welcome her.
The Taj Mahal is even more beautiful than I imagined.
It's one of the 7 wonders of the world. Welcome.
Red explores a vibrant market filled with colorful spices, jewelry, and crafts.
This market is so colorful. What's this necklace made of?
It's handmade with local stones.
In the market, Red encounters a wise storyteller who shares the legends of the Taj Mahal.
They say the Taj Mahal is a symbol of eternal love, but its walls hold many secrets.
Secrets? Like what?
Find the patterns, and they may guide you.
Inside, Red explores the beautifully decorated walls and ceilings, searching for clues.
The patterns here are so detailed. Could they be clues?
The designs often tell stories. Look closely.
After a closer look, Red discovers a hidden compartment concealed within the patterns.
A hidden key. Could this unlock the secret room?
This could be the next step in our journey.
Red discovers a hidden door near the ceiling and unlocks a path to a secret room.
This key fits perfectly. What's inside?
You're about to uncover a treasure trove of history.
Inside the secret room, Red finds a mysterious inscription carved into the wall.
These symbols look like a map. Could it be leading us to something more?
It seems so. Let's follow where it points.
Following the map, Red and the guide uncover a hidden chamber filled with rare historical artifacts.
I can't believe these treasures have been hidden all this time. The stories were true.
You've uncovered a piece of history.
Red enjoys the flavors of India at a popular local restaurant.
Try this dessert. You'll love it.
This is the best chicken I've ever had.
Red returns to the market, searching for a meaningful souvenir.
I want to take something back that reminds me of this adventure.
This handmade charm brings good luck.
Under the moonlight, Red admires the Taj Mahal's serene beauty.
This is the perfect way to end the day. Just magical.
Before leaving, Red gives the guide a heartfelt token of appreciation.
Thank you for sharing the wonders of this place. I'll never forget it.
You're always welcome here.
As Red leaves the Taj Mahal, she reflects on the memories she made and the adventures she experienced.
I'll never forget this place. I'll come back someday. Welcome to the vocabulary section. In this lesson, we will explore 8 key words from Red's adventure at the Taj Mahal. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's learn together. Let's look at the word compartment. A compartment is a hidden or enclosed space inside something. Red discovered a hidden compartment behind the patterned wall of the Taj Mahal. Repeat after me. Compartment. One more time. Compartment. Next, we have the word trove. A trove is a collection of valuable things or treasures. Red unlocked a secret door and found a treasure trove of history. Repeat after me. Trove. One more time. Trove. Now, let's learn the word inscription. Red found an ancient inscription carved into the walls of the secret room. An inscription is a written message carved into stone or metal. Repeat after me. Inscription. One more time. Inscription. Let's talk about the word serene. Serene means peaceful and calm. Under the moonlight, the Taj Mahal looked serene and magical. Repeat after me. Serene. One more time. Serene. Now let's learn the word artifact. An artifact is an old object made by humans, often found in historical sites. The hidden chamber was filled with rare historical artifacts. Repeat after me. Artifact. One more time. Artifact. Now, let's learn the word admire. To admire means to look at something with appreciation and respect. Red admired the beauty of the Taj Mahal as it reflected in the water. Repeat after me. Admire. One more time. Admire. Now, let's talk about take back. To take back means to bring something with you from another place. Red wanted to take back a special souvenir from the market to remember her journey. Repeat after me. Take back. One more time. Finally, let's learn the word token. A token is a small object given as a symbol of appreciation or remembrance. Red gave a token of appreciation to the kind guide who helped her. Repeat after me. Token. One more time. Token. Great job! Today, we learned 8 new words: compartment, trove, inscription, serene, artifact, admire, take back, and token. Keep practicing these words, and you'll become more confident in using them. See you in the next lesson, and happy learning!